Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello, what's up, everyone? It's time for another Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Elspon。
大家好，我是 Josephine, and it's so hot, 好热啊！现在很捏啊，对啊，非常捏，因为现在是8月嘛，对不对？所以真的是暑假正热的时候，最怕的是什么？中暑。
捏痘。
我脸上有长痘痘吗？要捏痘？
捏啦。
捏痘是中暑吗？
是啊。
Okay, that is weird. It didn't sound anything like heat stroke in Chinese, but in Hakka, to say getting a heat stroke is
捏痘.
捏痘. Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to avoid getting a heat stroke because it is very hot outside, and we have certain tips right here. 其实呢，能待在冷气房里面是最好的一件事情。
吹冷气哈。
So 冷气 is air conditioner, okay? But I want to give people here a few tips of what you can do to avoid suffering from the heat outside. So number 1, avoid going outside during the peak hours.
尽量冇喺最熱嘅時候出門。
最熱嘅時候 ，OK， 就是最熱的時候。That means the hottest times. Don't go out during the hottest times in Hakka. Secondly, when you go out, wear something light-colored and even something loose on you. Okay, you don't want tight jeans and you have a formal suit on. It's gonna kill you. So 要尽量穿一些浅色的服裝或者是寬鬆的衣服。
較 fat 嘅衫褲。
哦 ，fat 就是很 fat 就對了，越 fat 就要越穿得越寬鬆的衣服。Fat, okay. Now I remember it. Number 3, whenever you sweat a lot, I think you need to drink plenty of liquids. 其實大量出汗的時候呢，要盡量趕快補充這個水分，對不對？
飲水，補充水分。
飲水是不是？飲水 that's drink water, right? And finally, when you do feel uncomfortable, sit down or lie down immediately. 因为如果有一点不舒服的时候呢，就表示可能是轻微的中暑了。
撒撒坐下來。
什麼是撒撒坐下來？
趕快坐下來。
哦，對對對，沒錯，就是趕快坐下來 sit down or lie down so you can get some rest right here. So those are some tips you can follow to avoid a heat stroke. And let's review some vocabulary. Heat stroke, 中暑。
捏痘。
捏痘。And drink plenty of water. 要補充水分，要多喝水。
多飲水。
多飲水。And to sit down immediately.
撒撒坐下來。
撒撒坐下來就是趕快坐下來，對不對？ And remember, when you say fat, that means 寬鬆的衣服。So there you go. Enjoy your summer, and that does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
師傅大家。
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.